Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video we are going to be making this delicious catfish pepper soup with a little bit plantain, ripe plantain. This is so delicious and I wish you can try this recipe out. So to wash your catfish easily, all you need to do is to pour boiling water over the fish. I already poured the boiling water over the fish. You can see how that slimy part is coming out easily. So I'm going to pour the hot water away, run it with another cold water and use knife to clean everything off. It's very easy when you use hot water. It will make the fish firm for you to clean and it will clean easily for you. You don't need to use alum, use soy, use garri or whatsoever. This is the easiest way. Just pour hot water on it. The fish will be firm and it will clean easily. So I'll continue to do that and come back. So here is the fish, well clean. You can see it's no more drying. Everything is clean. That process of washing fish is the best. So what we are going to do now is to blend the pepper we are going to be using for this catfish. Blend the pepper and onions, ginger and garlic. So I'm going to add a little water that will enable it to blend very well. So you can see it is well blended. I didn't want it very smooth. So it's time for me to put in my fish inside my pot. So the next thing is to add in the blended pepper. Add in the onion, seasoning cube, rosemary, salt. So I will raise my blender with a little bit of water and pour it on it. So I'm going to cover it now to boil for some seconds before adding in any other spice. So after some seconds, you can see everything is boiling. So I'll add in my crayfish and the pepper soup spice. If you don't have blended pepper soup spice, you can put your pepper soup spice seed, all those calabash, nutmeg, uda, blend it with your pepper and pour it on it. So me, I'm having the powdered one. That is what I pour. So I'll add in water, enough water, because this is pepper soup. We need water to be sipping alongside with the fish. My pot is a little bit tight, but I'll continue. When you are doing yours, please let your pot be enough. So I'll cover it to boil for some seconds before adding in the already chopped plantain. So I'll use my spoon to adjust it a little bit and cover it. So after some seconds, Everything is ready. I'll now introduce my vegetable, which is scent leaf, into it. Cover it and allow it to steam. I love enough scent leaf in my pepper soup. So everything is well set. I'll just cover a little bit and allow it to steam, and our catfish is ready. If you have watched to this extent, please hit the like button. To our returning subscriber, thank you so much for always stopping by. Thank you for the support. And to our new subscriber, you are welcome to Unique Dijja Space. Thank you for hitting that subscribe button. If you are here and you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I post a new one. Thank you all so much. I really appreciate. Today is Vlogmas day 20. Thank you for the support so far. Please continue supporting your girl. Don't get tired of supporting me. Keep on subscribing, sharing my video, liking and commenting. Thank you all so much. I really appreciate you all. God bless you all. Compliments of the season, guys. See you all tomorrow. Bye.